Hello, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Bon Bon from Friday Night at Freddy's. Okay, so this little bunny going to have their head here, an ear, bow tie, tummy, leg, an arm, a hand, an arm with a hand. All right, we are ready. So to start this little rabbit, we're going to do a big arched line like that. Then we're going to do a diagonal kind of curvy line that comes up, back down and goes back in. And then we got a light spot here, a light spot there. We're going to go diagonal, kind of over, come back, get narrower again, light spot there, light spot there. Then we're going to do the eyes. So we're going to have a diagonal line with a curvy line under it, and there's a circle inside that with a dot. Then we're going to have a curvy line, the diagonal line. This one's going to go a little bit lower, and this one, the circle's not going to touch the edge of it, just like that. Then we're going to draw the top of it. We're going to draw some lines coming up. We're going to draw the top of it over here with some lines coming up. Then we have some big arched eyebrows, like that. Then we have a little triangle nose. And then under the triangle nose, we're going to have a curvy line, and then we're going to have a break in the curvy line, and we're going to come over here and draw a big kind of little circle that's going to come down, come around, have a big circle here and come around. And then inside that, we're going to draw a repeated line on the inside and a repeated line right here like that. And then there's a couple little scary teeth. And then he's got some more teeth, or she, I don't know who this is. There we go. And then they got some little whiskers that look like they've been singed or something. They're very angular instead of curvy. All right, looks pretty good. So now we're going to draw the bow tie. So for the bow tie, it's going to have a square in the middle, some triangles on the edges that are kind of curvy. So don't make them super sharp, just kind of curvy triangles. And then we'll put some accent lines inside that. Then we got a shoulder here that comes down and kind of has a little on the end of it. Then we're gonna go over to the other side. I'm gonna draw it down, back up, and this is the vest. And then we're gonna draw it back up and kind of in a little bit. And then the rabbit has some folds in its fur. Then from that vest, we're gonna go down and out with a little curve on the end. And we're gonna do the other arm over here. And then he's got a hand here that's gonna come down, kind of curve it, come back up, go across, come back down with a few little angles there, come back around, come back up. And there's the front of his finger, and then he's got another little line there. And then there's his pinky. Okay, so then on this side, we're gonna have a little wiggly line. It's gonna come down, and then it's gonna come down, back around and up. And we have a couple circles here for buttons. And then his belly has a different color in the middle. And then he's got the sides of his stomach that kind of come into his waist. And then underneath this different colored area is where his legs start. So they're just gonna come down, come out and back over for his calf. And then it looks like he's got like some socks or something on. He's got these giant rabbit feet that are just gonna come back and up. Yep, just like that. Then put some, there we go. And then this front part's gonna go straight. And then when it hits the knee, it's gonna come back out and up. All right, then I'm gonna draw the shoulder. So it's gonna come out, kind of wiggle down like so. Then right here, it's gonna come out, down, over, and it's gonna come back up at a diagonal, have a little hook on it. Then here, we're gonna have another line that's gonna come up, have a little hook on it, and then he's got gigantic hands. So there's the thumb, and it's gonna curve around. Here's the index finger. Here's the middle finger. Here's the ring finger. And here's the pinky finger. And then that just comes back down. And then we have kind of a line here. Woo, that is a big rabbit hand. But this guy can hold a lot of carrots. Okay, so then here's our calf. Here's the inside. Then this one comes down. It's kind of more straighter because of the angle, because he's going to have his foot facing forward here. So we're going to come in an angle, bump, 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 back around and meet up. And then we're going to put some little foot details. I think he's got like some socks on or something. Looks like his legs are kind of sewed on. There's some stitchery here. All right. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.